Alright, so welcome back everyone to our another episode of Business Application Programming Interfaces with API Methods. So in our last session, we saw how using BAPI we can create a bank. So we implemented BAPI bank create there. Now in this episode, let's discuss sometime what happens is we will have the T codes and we are supposed to find out the BAPIs so that we can use them in our ABAP application. So how to get the associated BAPIs with T codes? Very interesting. Question is, suppose we have the here we have our BAPI, sorry, we have our T code, and using the T codes, we are supposed to find out the BAPIs. Yeah. So in the projects or in the projects, sometime what you are going to see, functional people or functional consultants will give us some transaction codes, and we need to get the associated BAPI for that. And to get the associated BAPI function modules with the T code. We are supposed to do so. So for this, there is a step. You must remember it. It will help you in your working projects. Steps to get the associated BAPIs. Yes, there are certain steps, and using the steps, we will also see it. We will find out all the related BAPIs. First of all, step one will be we will get to the or we will get the our report, or I should say ABAP report from the T code. And how we will do that? So we shall go to the AC93 transaction code, 93 transaction code, and there we will find out the associated report. Once I have the report name, so we will go to AC38, and there AC38 our ABAP editor, and there we will find out the package of our package name of our report, ABAP report. We'll find out the package name. Yes. Step 1, find out the associated program name. Yeah. Find out the associated program name. Step here. Step 2 is find out the package. And once you have that, you are required to find out the business object type. So go to Object Navigator, ACAT transaction code, ABAP Workbench, and find out the business object type for our package. Find out the business object type for our package. Finally, using this business object type, step 4 is there. We will go to the SWO1 transaction code, and we will find out all the API methods, all our API methods. So we will go to the SWO1 transaction code, and we are going to find out all our associated API methods for this. Yes, this is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do here. So let's do this. Let's do the implementation of this stuff. Yeah. For that, I am going to take a requirement. If you recall, in our last session, we created our bank. So for this bank, we use the function module or our BAPI FM. We already know BAPI function module was BAPI bank create, and here the T code of this creation is also there. We can use it FI01. Yeah. And the database table in which we store the data was banka, BNK. Okay. So let's go and find it out. I will start with the transaction code. So I'll here put it down. First of all, our T code is already there, so we'll find out the program name. Then I'll find out the package name, package name, our business object type, and the last one, associated API methods. This will be our process. So this is our transaction code FI01. Let's go to SAP logon and let's open it. I will log into the system and I am going to directly SE93 and I will search for FI01. See here, create bank, open it in display mode. So this is the package of the transaction code. This is not the package of our program. But if we check, this is our associated program, SAP MF02B. Yeah, this is a program here. We have SAP MF02B. Copy it. And using this program, we are going to find out our all the API methods. So let's go to SE38 ABAP editor. Here you are going to paste the program name. Select the attribute radio button to find out the related attribute of this program. Click on display button. And there you can see the title, your created, change, all the generic data along with the type, and then there is your package bf underscore bank, bf underscore bank. So my program name is this one, and our package name we have got is bf underscore bank. Let's copy and paste it. Now once I have this package name, I can go to my ABAP workbench, SEAT, or object navigator. There it is. Here in the type we are going to select our package, and I am going to paste our package here and press enter. It will show all the details of this package here. So there is got my object name bf underscore bank itself, package interfaces, sub packages, and there is our business engineering. So open this. You will see our business object types. Open this. And I can see here my bank and their international bank account number details and all. Let's open it. There it is. So this is my object type. There is the object type. I'll right click and I'm going to copy it. So I'll just copy it. There it is. Using this business object type, now we can find out all our associated API methods. So let's go to SW01, SW01, paste your object type here and click on display. And there you see your methods. And now I can see here all the methods bank dot get detail. So here I will have bank dot get detail, bank dot get list. So bank dot get list, bank dot save replica, save replica, bank dot create. So create, bank dot change, and bank dot existence check. So bank dot check. Okay, we can check them, double click on it, and in the ABAP section you'll find out the name of your API method, that is your BAPI function module. So there got my BAPI bank detail, which will help you to find out the detail of the bank. So this is the related BAPI function module. Second one, our BAPI get list, ABAP BAPI bank underscore get list. There it is. This is the BAPI function module here, BAPI save replica. This is the related BAPI function module for this. All our function modules, we are able to find it out. Bank create, I already know bank. There is the one, BAPI bank create. So BAPI bank create. It should be BAPI bank change, I think. Let me check. Yeah, bank change. And then the last one that we have in this case is existence check. So ABAP. There is nothing here as I can see. So no issue. These are our related function modules that are available here, which we can use for our purpose. So using the T code, that is how you can easily find out your associated BAPIs here. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe our channel. You can also explore the membership content on our channel. And I will see you in the next episode on the BAPIs in the next session tomorrow. Bye bye.